You can see the plane. Plane. Can you see it?
Plane, yeah. Bye, guys. Bye. Are they going on their holidays? Bye, baby. Bye-bye.
Are you saying bye-bye to the plane?
Bye. Bye, Daddy.
I'm not on the plane this time.
Bye. Good job, Bob. Let go of my finger, Pudding. Should we get you your little hat up?
Look what has arrived. Thank you, Rogue Alloy, for the lovely Valentine's Day rose. And what a beautiful hooded sweatshirt.
The van currently looks quite drunk. I feel like I've literally just blinked and Mark's got these tyres on. Got that.
Professional!
But it looks awesome. I'll come show you. So good. My granddad came around and he was like, what was wrong with the old ones? So Matt was like, nothing. There's the old boys. They're still pretty good, to be fair. But these ones look ace.
So we're going to start putting the flooring in now, which is just this LVT plank, like a nice kind of light oak colour. Just going to lay this first row and do a couple of cuts around where the seat clips in, And I'll be able to do some caps to just like trim it off and make it finish really nicely. I also intend on doing like a little bit of an upright there at the end, and then doing just a little like aluminium trim, so I'll cut that to height at some point, but basically it should be a nice little step basically. Yeah, so I've just got to start lining up this and making cuts. Okay, first one's cut. Pretty happy with that. Babies are on the monitor. Chloe's in the van.
Yep, excitement.
You haven't been getting out to the van recently, have you? Babies have been a bit full on.
Yeah, they've had chickenpox for the past 2 weeks.
Yeah, we've been on lockdown and not made much progress.
No, but here we are again.
So yeah, we're just starting the floor because what it's gonna I want to build on top of the floor, have a solid floor all the way through and build floor up. So bunks have got to go in, beds got to go in, so I don't want to start building stuff and then go, oh, I better do the floor. So we're just going to get going with this now.
Nice. Well, we've got it, so why not?
And we've got it, and it gets another thing out of the way. So many things.
Yeah, there's no space for this floor to go anywhere.
Yeah, I'm going to have to pull this out.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to do a shed reshuffle. You're going to have to give me shed reshuffling time, please.
We're going to have to go to the tip as well.
Yes, to the tip, yes. Oh my God.
Yeah, family tip room. Yeah, it's the one.
That's the one.
I actually love this flooring. Like, you make it look so easy and it looks so seamless.
It's easy to cut, but when you got an intricate piece and like maybe you break off more than you wanted to, you're like, so you got to do a whole new plank.
Yeah. Mark's smashing it so far. The girls are still napping. But the question is, will we finish the floor before they wake up?
Will we? Alright, we're just about there. Got some like little tricky cuts to do, but just a bit of like measurement points, you know, like measuring the depth of that and the width of that and just doing a rough arc. This part will be in the garage and it's nothing that can't be sorted with a bit of like flexible edge trim. I think would look quite good. And I'm going to do some skirting all the way around just to, like you would in a house. But yeah, it's really transforming the space, looking good, and that'll allow us to start building up from here, which is bed, bunk beds, kitchen. Yeah, it's really coming together. I am putting the bed rails in place, and then I've got these bed slat holders, which are rubber flexible. I'm going to mount these to the top of my rails and then obviously measure up for our bed slats themselves to span between. Don't tell Chloe, I'm going to be the first one who lies on the bed. This is where I really hope we don't just fall through. Here we go. And I'm sitting. I'm not touching the ceiling as well. Ooh, and the fun thing, I guess, is that look in there. Ah, perfect. It's very comfortable. So we've got 6-inch thick custom foam mattress with a memory topper. Then it's got a quilted cover on top. And then we've got sprung beach bed slats on IKEA Scorva rails attached to the walls. I think in the middle, even at either side, I might just put another little vertical support batten on the wall, just to help with any sort of, well, I'd bloody hate if it fell down, so maybe a little extra support. However, oh, it's fantastic. And then I've got a little support rail still to put at the very back door. I've got some leftover uni strut from way back when I started doing the van up, and I got a couple of brackets which I'm going to add just as a little extra support off of the hanging end so that you can sit out the back door and enjoy the view. Chloe's getting to try out the mattress for the first time, and the girls are kicking off because they know Mum wants to lie down.
Like, as soon as I want to rest, they're like, no.
Oh, bless you. That's better. Look at that. Oh yeah.
This is so nice.
I'll see you later then.
I love it.
So what I've been working on this morning is the wooden extension which sits on top of the unistrut and the last remaining bed rail, and then I've worked on this little trim piece which has been glued and pocket hole screwed up underneath. Plenty strong. It gives it a nice little frame, I think, when you look into the van. And then I was deliberating between white or keeping it wood, and I decided to keep it wood because I love seeing a little bit of warmth in contrast with a lot of the white going on, and I think it's a lovely little frame as you look in. It'll look like it ties into the ceiling, and there'll be other little bits and pieces, and I'm just using my favourite treatment for oil, applying it with these little pads, and the transformation is amazing. Let me just show you. So that is the grain without, and that is one coat. It gives it such lovely nice warmth, and it makes it very water resistant. Peekaboo!
Hello!
Hi girls!
We've been saying yay all the way around.
Have you been for a walk?
Yeah, we met our friends that we met at the park. We know where they live now.
Peekaboo!
Got a nice doggy.
You saw a doggy?
Yeah, and we met the nice old lady that lives around the corner with her doggy. We were chatting to her, weren't we?
You having a sit down, Bill? That tough walk in the seat. Oh, hi, baby. Keep going. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good bump avoidance. Ooh, it's a race. Quick as you can over the bumps.
It feels like a race. We've got those tyres stacked there.
Yeah, it looks like a go-kart track. Whoa! Whoa! So this is the panel for in front of the bed, and I'm just putting in these vertical supports that will give me a place to secure the panel to, but also gives me even more peace of mind that these rails won't come off the wall. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to use this little round over bit. It's a really nice little thing to do on the edge of plywood so that it doesn't catch or ever get caught and lift a veneer. I'm just going to test the depth and the style of curve that I want. the depth. Chloe's doing a great job with the girls. Sometimes they require absolute crazy attention and management because they just fight each other, argue with each other. They want what the other one's getting from one person. So just now I'm just doing the girls' bunks. I've blocked off the path to the boot. Fins are in and scribed. And I'm just spreading out the supports for the girls' bunk beds now. Going to have like a little 200mm drawer at the bottom underneath. I might do 2 of them. I haven't decided yet. One large one could be useful for big things. Yeah, we're very much getting there. You say hi to the camera. Say hiya. Give a little kiss. Mwah. So that is the vertical supports and the resting place for the girls' bed slats to go. So I just need to measure up width of slats that I need to fit for here. I'll get them ordered. And then their bunks are looking pretty good. Obviously I'm going to have a faceplate as well. I haven't decided if I'm just going to do like a circular entrance or like a pill shape, but we're going to stagger the entrances. So one would be that side and one would be that side, so that on this one a ladder can be built into the front wall as well. So I'm just giving myself an equal 2mm reveal vertically and horizontally. I always think it's nice to, if you're going to have a reveal, do something intentional with it, or you make sure that it doesn't exist at all. So doing that in 2 sections, and then I've just scribed to match that line all the way across. I'm just going to run my track saw across that now. What are you doing, Chloe?
I'm just measuring bed slats. But it's hard because I'm kind of guessing. We're going for about 8. But whether that is correct or not, we'll find out very soon. I could probably do some maths, but I'm really bad at maths, so here we are.
Painting, Chloe.
We're going for it.
I think this is maybe the 3rd coat. We're giving it a really good coat. See, what we're going to do is give it a really good painting and then have the girls beat the ever-living crap out of it.
I was literally just painting thinking this is going to be full of footprints. Like, we're going to do like a little, almost like a climbing wall for them there, and it's just not, nothing is going to be white for long.
Nope.
It looks nice now.
It does look nice. Looks real nice. We've also got the bed slat holders in place now. I'm going to get those slats ordered to size. Same company that did the ones for our bed. What else have we done today? Yeah, I've covered this little bit of trim. That's been done. More wiring and prep. Yeah, we're looking good. Alright, so we're building the cabinets for the kitchen.
That's my little one.
We're just getting these girls who can screw, eh? Beautifully done. And what we're doing is we're just doing belts and braces for this. We're doing glue everywhere there's a joint, extra glue where there isn't a joint, and then just covering the whole thing in glue. Glue, glue, glue. We're also going to do some extra securing screws, and I'm also using the nail gun just to fire in some extra strength points of contact for all parts of the cabinet. Alright, so bit of catch up recently. I've started putting the kitchen base in, fridge is in, ready to be wired up. I've just fitted the drawer runners for the under kitchen, and then I've got drawer runners to fit under the bed. I've got 2 to fit up here as well, and then I've got a little drawer which is going to go on top of the fridge. So yeah, a few drawer runners to go. Alright, so we are getting into a good place with the van generally. Got like nice little pieces on now, like door trims. Additionally, we're also about to get the kitchen in. The kitchen cabinets are in place. Let me just show you. Yeah, so we've got the kitchen cabinets in here, fridge is secured in. I've got wiring to come up behind here. We'll have a double socket and tiling. I'm just going to be putting in just now these backboard panels, just a couple between the rear of this cabinet, which will allow me to secure matching green panels to match the front doors and the front drawers. So I need something to secure them to. So I've just cut these little ribs off, and I've got some pocket hole screws which I'll use to secure in here now. There's Chloe enjoying the sunshine. We're just working on the kitchen while the girls have a nap. So I've just cut this flush with the back. I'll have the back coloured board come over that edge, and I'll come over just like a millimetre, and then that's flush with the countertop, and then this is flush with the drawer. Sorry, this one's got a door, but the door will swing in and close in that space. So we're looking cool.
Oh, it's not the nicest noises.
Oh, I thought you were going to say colour.
Don't like that noise.
Ooh.
And I'm in green today, so we'll put them in.
That looks good.
That looks so nice.